Alright y'all, let's say you have a pressure washer that won't start. In this case, it's a Honda GCV 160 overhead cam. And I've already pulled the spark plug, which uses a 13/16. And I've already put fresh gas in it. Not working.
It got gas in it.
So, what I did, I took some starting fluid, like this. Spray a little in the there, and then you grab the cord here, give it a few tugs, and you get that. That's about all you get. Your problem is probably going to be a clogged carburetor, particularly the valve in the bottom. Let's check this thing out. 10 mil for the bolts here. And we pull that back. Lo and behold, those two long bolts held on not only the housing but the carburetor as well, which I think is a dumb design. Anyways, so the trick to get the linkage completely disconnected and the carb all the way free is you have to take the fuel line off first, then the whole carb will just rotate and bop. Just like that, easy peasy. Now it looks like we're going to take about a 10 mil here, maybe a 9. And then we're going to open that up. Right then, once you get this little bolt off, you can see it's kind of dirty, so we'll clean that up. Then this cup just pops right off the bottom. We'll clean all that little gunk out of there. And then what you do is you take a flathead, and you might need a pick or something along with it. We take a flathead, and you'll see the deal way down in there. You just take it and you unscrew it, and that's what you get. Well, there's no visibility between that and that, so I suspect is the reason why the whole engine wouldn't run. Fancy that. Let's take some carb cleaner, clean that up. I want to show you all a little trick. So there's actually a second valve up in there that it gets stuck. So if you look close, you can just barely catch the top of it right back in there. If you can see the gleam of that brass, there it is. So what you want to do is you want to put your pick in the top of that and push down, and it'll shoot that thing right out the bottom. Now we see that little sucker comes out of there. Yeah, just look how dirty that little thing is. See that? And you want to take these, clean out those little passages, get all that gnarly gunk up off of there. Clean that too, and take some carb clean and just soak the heck out of that carb. So this is how I ended up cleaning that little jet. I just took my brass brush, and it was wide enough for exactly 2 brass bristles. And now, compared to before, you can actually see a hole through there. Goodness gracious. Alright, everything's hooked back up and secure. We've got our starting procedure done. I gotta kick my leg up here to keep this thing from tipping over on me. Hey, look at that! Just like magic.